Sup viewers, do I look dead here? We should try not to fall asleep. Played a bit of a new season. The tanks, oh my god, the crap. Needs building, what's the word? Returned, and also ladies, gents, and whatever you identify as, because I don't want to get sued by anyone. I respect whatever your identities are. Because voila! Handcuffs. Let me demonstrate them to you real quick. Like, me thinking I'm a copper. Well, I am. Oh, let me just clear my nose real quick. Should I go into school? Yeah, why not? Now I'm going to sort out my shirt. So, dear viewers, you know how handcuffs work. Grab hold of them like this, and then you just go. Obviously, there's the little push rod that you can get in here. See, there's a little button here, right there. You push that in. I think I missed it. Yep, there you go. And can't do it, undo it. I'll do it up being tighter, and I can't. You see, I'm trying to unlock it, unless I turn the opposite way until you hear a click. Then you can take the handcuffs off. Very fun for police stuff, I guess. Also, I almost got stuck in these earlier because me being an idiot, I decided to put them on myself and try and undo the key. I feel like I should get like one of those makeshift prison handcuff keys. Ah, not again. Not again. Probably wondering, viewers, how am I going to get out of these if my hands are done up? I mean, like, it's like a bloom work out. Yeah. Like that. Ow. Right, it was harder earlier, alright? Also, let me just get back to you guys. Okay, my dear viewers, I'm back because I decided to do phase 2 of my idea what I was going to do. So, you see here, the holster for the handcuffs. Put on military trousers, which I wasn't a cadet, so yeah. He's in there. See, people? You see that? Handcuffs are in there. They're up. Sorted like that. We're wondering, where did I get these handcuffs from? Amazon. Amazon is a place to go. Just look up police handcuffs and they come up. I highly recommend you buy them. Very, very durable. These things could probably get shot by a freaking, I don't know, 5.56 by 45 round without getting damaged. Again, I'm probably wrong. It's probably 22 or a 9mm. Probably for a British bloke, you're probably wondering to yourself, how do I know about ammo? Well, I love guns. You probably know that. Yeah, it's kind of obvious. So yeah, by the way, like, subscribe, and remember, we're ready to believe.